friends, remember this apple tree that we sent home when you put apples and you hit them? Now we're sending home leaves. So you're going to get your bag of leaves out. There are 3 big maple leaves, and then you have 3 really small leaves and 3 medium size. So you can take any color small leaf and hide it under the big leaf, just like the apple game. But now I have to hide it so you don't know where it is. Where is that leaf? Could it be under the green one? No. How about the yellow one? No. Is it under the red one? There it is. It's under the red one. Now you can just try the bigger one and see if that one hides. Yes, it does. And you can keep doing that with your family. Play it by yourself or play it with your family. Next, you're going to sort the leaves by color. They won't all be the same leaf, but they will all be the same color. Nice job. Now you're going to sort them by the same kind of leaf. If you look at these leaves, even though they're the same color, they're a different size. So you want to find the ones that are the same size. And now you have 3 piles with 3 in them. So that's kind of the magic number for this game is 3. So we have 3 piles of 3. We had 3 piles when we did colors, and we had 3 piles when we did sizes. How else can you sort this? Is there a different way you can sort it? Is there another way you can play the game? Can you just put all the leaves on the tree and have a very, very full tree? That looks like a lot of fun. Are they falling from the sky? Falling off the tree? Blowing away? Whoosh, 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 whoosh. What can you do with your tree and your leaves? Explore, make new discoveries. Have fun, friends. Bye.